Hello friends, this is your friend Professor Iqbal here. Once again I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel, My Grammar Classes. In this episode of my lecture, we are going to learn about what is an adverb and what are the positions of an adverb, means where an adverb can occur. At the same time, we are going to learn how many types of adverbs are there. So let us discuss all these points one by one. First of all, an adverb is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective and other adverb. It means an adverb can give us more information about a verb. It can also give us more information about an adjective. At the same time, it can give us more information about other adverbs. So let us take some example. He runs fast. She speaks loudly. If you see in these two examples, the adverb fast and loudly gives us more information. Fast and loudly, they give us more information about the verb. Let us take one more example where it qualifies or modifies an adjective. She is very beautiful. He is very lazy. So if you see here, what adverb is modifying an adjective beautiful or lazy. At the same time, it can also modify or give us more information about other adverb. For example, she runs very fast. He runs very slow. So in these two examples, we see that adverbs giving us more information about other adverbs. So this is an adverb. An adverb can give us more information about a verb. It can also give us more information about an adjective. At the same time, they can give us more information about other adverbs. Now, adverbs are called as flexible elements. Now, what is the meaning of a flexible element? A flexible element means they can occupy any position. It means they can occur initially, they can occur medially, at the same time they can occur finally. And hence they are called as a mobile element. They are also called as mobile elements. Now let us take one example. He will definitely go there. Definitely he will go there. So if you see in these two examples, the first example tells us that it can occur medially. The second example gives us more information about how an adverb can occur in the beginning. And he will go there definitely. This example will tell us how an adverb can occur at last or finally. So the positions, there are three positions of an adverb. It can occur initially, it can occur medially, at the same time it can occur finally. Now let us talk about types of adverbs. There are many types of adverbs. For example, adverbs of time, adverbs of place, adverbs of frequency, adverbs of manner, adverbs of degree or quantity, and adverbs of sentence. Let us see them one by one with some example. We will begin our discussion with adverbs of time. Adverbs of time, they tell us more about when something happened, which show when something happened. For example, now, then, today, tomorrow, yesterday, still, recent, afterwards, etc. So they tell us when the action took place. For example, he is still there. I am busy now. First, tell your name, then your address. I will meet you afterwards. So you can make many such sentences. Now we will see the next type of adverb, that is called as an adverb of frequency. Now adverbs of frequency, they tell us how often something happens. How often something happens. For example, sometimes, always, never, usually, occasionally, okay, hardly. These are called as adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency means how often something happens. How often something happens. She always goes to temple. He hardly visits any place. He usually goes there. He never visits that place. She sometimes goes there. So these are the examples of adverbs of frequency. Now let us go ahead and discuss what is an adverb of place. The third type of adverb is called as an adverb of place. Now they tell us where something happened. They tell us where something happened. We show where something happened. For example, here, there, up, down, somewhere, anywhere, elsewhere, etc. For example, she is here now. Okay, I was there. You can get a mobile everywhere. God is everywhere. Okay, she was not available anywhere. That recharge was not available anywhere. So these are the examples of adverbs of place, which show us where the action took place. Now let us go ahead and discuss the next type of adverb, that is called as an adverb of manner. So adverbs of manner, they tell us in what manner something happened, how or in what manner something happened. For example, slowly, fearlessly, carefully, loudly, etc. These are called as adverbs of manner. Now, how can we use them in practice? She walks slowly. Okay. He faced that challenge fearlessly. She is improving gradually. She is improving gradually. The bell rang loudly. The bell rang loudly. These are the examples of adverbs of manners. And adverbs of manners, they are big in number. In compared to other adverbs, other types of adverbs, adverbs of manner, they occupy very important position in grammar because they are big in number. They are big in number. Now let us go to the next type of adverb, that is called as adverbs, that is called as an adverb of degree or quantity So adverbs of degree or quantity, so they refer how much is referred or what extent is referred, which show how much or what extent is referred. Now let us see them with some examples. So adverbs of degree are very, just, quite, absolutely, extremely. These are the adverbs of quantity or degree. They show us in how much is referred, or in what extent something is referred. For example, he will buy just one. He will buy just one. She is busy enough. She is busy enough. Okay. He is very hungry. He is very hungry. So that is quite expensive. That is quite expensive. These are the examples of adverbs of quantity or degree. Now the last type of adverb is called as adverbs of sentence. Adverbs of sentence. Now these adverbs, they modify the entire sentence, and the examples are certainly, perhaps, probably, clearly, undoubtedly, etc. They completely modify the whole sentence. He will certainly win the match. Perhaps you are true. Perhaps you are true. She will clearly explain that matter. She will clearly explain that matter. Undoubtedly, he is the winner of the match. So, this is all about adverb. In this lesson, we have seen what is an adverb and what positions they can occur and why they are called as flexible elements. At the same time, we have seen how many types of adverbs are there. Okay, and with some examples we have practiced.